This is 500 naira, and to some people this cannot buy up to an egg right here in Nigeria. To other people, this is just for a bag of pure water in Nigeria, and to other people this can't even get snacks for you. But what if I tell you this particular 500 naira can make you a part owner of a company right here in Nigeria? I know you won't believe me. That is why I am here today. See me for the first time, welcome to my channel. This is Selim Pictures TV, and what I do here is that I talk about different side hustles that you can try in Nigeria, just your smartphone. If you want to get more content from me, give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, subscribe, so that whenever I drop a new video, they are going to notify you and you're going to be the first person to check it out. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just based on my own experience. I'm sharing my opinion based on my experience. I'm not guaranteeing you anything in this video. I just want to show you what I do personally. I actually stopped wasting my 500 naira and I saw the value of that. You have your opinion. You can drop it in the comment section. Don't forget, comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. So let's get started. So let's say this is a company right here. Let's call this company oil and gas, for example. Oil and gas, and we're going to divide this company into different parts right here. So let's come here and let's divide the company. Each of these parts is called shares. If you own any of these small parts right here, you become a shareholder of this particular company. You become a shareholder automatically of this particular company, and that is what we can do with our 500 naira in today's video. There are a lot of companies just like this particular one here. They give people the opportunity to be part of their company by purchasing a share from their company, and the best part is that most companies make their share as cheap as possible, that a common man can actually afford it, which means with some company 500 naira can buy you a whole lot of shares. And we're going to be seeing different companies that you can actually invest into with just 500 naira right here in Nigeria. 10 Nigerian companies or 10 companies in Nigeria that you can start buying shares from them, and these companies have below 500 naira shares, or you can use 500 naira to buy some amount of shares from these particular companies. Now company number 10, because I'm going to start from number 10 to number 1. Now the first one on my list right here is called J. Paul Gold and Ventures. J. Paul Gold and Ventures. They deal with gold mine and they also deal with transportation, right? They deal with gold mine and also with transportation. J. Paul Gold and Ventures right here is actually, or is currently 3 naira and 25 cents. So their stock just skyrocketed over 8% high, which means it's still under 500 naira. It's still under 500 naira right here. Okay, if we are buying this right now at the rate of 3.25 naira, which means with this price right here we can buy up to 150 shares from J. Paul Gold and Ventures. The second one right here is called Charms Holdings. Charms Holdings is actually a tech wizard enterprise. Charms Holdings, they are selling their share for at the rate of 3 naira and 58 kobo. Their stock price have gone down by 1.9% right here, so you have to know that. So the next one right here is called FCMB Group right here. So FCMB, we all know that FCMB is actually a bank. Now the next one right here is called Transnational Corporation, and the next one right here is called Fidelity Bank. It's actually a bank. And the next one right here, so this is from Access Bank right here. We have UBA right here. We have Transcorp Hotels or Transcorp Hotels, and also we have Courtville. We have Courtville Business right here, and also we have Unity Bank. And we are going to look at how much these companies are worth, or how much you can buy a piece from this particular company. There are different ways you can use to buy shares from these companies, right? So I'm going to be talking about some of them, or some of the methods you can actually use to buy shares from this particular company. Number one, we have what they call the magic. That's what they call them. Now, these magic phone apps, these are apps like Bamboo, Trove, Carrywise. These are called magic phone apps. Now, these are apps that act like stockbroker, just for you to sign up your account on these apps and fund your wallet. And after funding your wallet, you can go down there, look at the companies you like to invest into, and buy shares from them. Okay, that is what these apps are for. So they call them magic phone apps. Magic phone apps. Number two, we have what they call the traditional helper stockbroker. The traditional helper stockbroker. Now, this is an individual or a company which their work is specifically to help you as a person to buy stock from different companies. They create an account for you, they buy these stocks for you, they do everything for you. If it's time to sell, you call them and say, okay, I want you to sell this, sell this. They sell it for you, and what you do is that you actually give them a commission or you give them a rate based on how you guys discuss. So if you don't want to use the apps, which is the easiest for beginners, and you want to invest large amount of money into the stock market, you have to consult a traditional helper. Sometimes investing in just one company is very, very risky. That is why this third method is very, very important. This third method is called the mixed bag mutual fund. The mixed bag, or you can call it mutual fund. Now, how does this work? Imagine you and 100 other people put your 500 naira in one bank account. A smart person that knows what he or she is doing carry that your money and buy stocks from FCMB Bank, FCMB, buy another one from UBA, buy another one from Stanbic IBTC, buy another one from Wema Bank, and so on and so forth. Buy like from 10 different companies. And the reason why they are buying it like this is because if one fails, the other can help make up the difference. After you have invested that money into that mutual fund, we're going to be giving you your profit every quarter. That's why this third method is the safest method right here to invest into the stock market, because your capital there is always safe because they invest into different companies. So that is how this third method actually works. Charms Holdings right here was actually down, so let me buy from them. So I'm going to click on buy right here, and I'm going to put an amount. So I want to buy 1,500 shares, which is going to be 5,300 naira. Total everything will be 6,100 naira. So let me click on buy right here, and I want to buy with the money in my wallet. Let me just go ahead and buy right here. So you can see I purchased successfully. So FCMB right is actually at 11 naira. And the last one on our list right here was called Unity Bank. Okay, let's search for Unity Bank. Unity Bank is at 1 naira and 51 kobo for one share from Unity Bank right here. Okay, this is from Unity Bank. Now in 2024 July, as you can see, I bought one share from Stanbic IBTC at the rate of 54 naira, and right now today is at 161 naira. That is to show you that another thing too, you're going to need patience. So it's not enough for you to buy, you have to be patient enough and for it to mature. There are different ways you can make money from the stock market. It's either you buy when the company is down, and when it fluctuates you sell it just like this and you make your profit, or you buy and keep and they start giving you dividends every year or 2 times a year based on how the company is. Not every company gives dividends. That is how you can actually start investing in different Nigerian companies with just 500 naira. Don't waste your 500 naira, since you know that it's low. So anytime you have 500, you buy and keep. You have 500, you buy and keep. You have 500, you buy and keep. You'll be surprised at the end of the year you have thousands and thousands of shares, and you might be getting dividends from your investment, and you can decide to sell it in the future and you make extra profit from that particular investment. So let me know what you think in the comment section.